Fit family, this is Sexy Cook coming in. Wanted to come and make a quick video. It's been so long since I made one, and I do apologize for it, but so much has happened in my life, as most of my fitness pal, my Facebookers, everyone know. I recently got engaged, so I'm super excited about that. So with that and traveling and stuff, that has thrown me off a little bit from my challenge. Not much, but a little bit. But I wanted to come in, provide some encouragement so we can go ahead and step it back up, get back full time in our fitness journey, get motivated, get driven, and let's get these last results in these last few days. Again, we are still in it for the 100-day challenge. We are on day 36. Which is super cool, because at this point we have seen some type of changes. We may be at a standstill right now, but it's because, of course, you know, after you do anything for a long time, you may slip up a little bit here and there, but now is the time to reevaluate. This week is the week that we're trying to see what we can do to get back in it, go back to the basics, remove some things, start back fresh. Our last 30 days, we want to go strong, stronger than we have ever gone before. I mean, we want to do some two-a-days. We want to make sure those portions are correct. We want to have multiple meals. We want to get our gallons in. And want to continue to just stay focused on what it is we've gotten in this summer journey for. We've gotten in it to look good by the summertime, to feel better, to feel great, to inspire some folks. And we can do it. We can still do it. There's still more than enough time. It's not too late to jump on board. It's just a matter of getting in there and committing to it. You got to commit to it. I can get on here and say what we can do, even for myself. But if I'm not committed and if I'm not there mentally, it will not happen. We will have to commit ourselves to this and move forward and support each other. I am going to try to be a little bit more active than I've been. As I stated, the last couple of weeks have been full of so many changes, so I'm focusing on this challenge, you know, planning for my wedding, and also trying to get the MLP meetup, you know, going, and that's going good too. I've confirmed our pole classes and all that stuff, so I'm excited about that. So it's just so much to be thankful for and so much to be excited about, so we just need to buckle down and do what we have to do. I'm excited for you guys. I see you guys pushing it. I've spoken with a few of you guys, and the energy is still there. Let's just try to share it a little bit more with everybody else so we can make sure we're all still online, because there's somebody out there that's just sitting back and like, okay, I'm still doing it, but we got to go ahead and try to find that person. Let's try to kick it up a notch and try to push them, and do, you know, I want somebody to do the same for me. So I'm gonna start back officially trying to log today. I have been logging but not submitting. It's kind of been like a celebration week for me. For some reason I made it a celebration week, but anyway, I'm going to try my best to get back online. I know next week I'm back to prepping. No excuses. I'm going to prep the whole 30 days. I'm going to work out 2 days. I'm going to get back to P90X, and I'm going to get the results that I want, because I mean, I got to put in the work to get them. So just wanted to come in real quick. Thanks everybody for the love, the concern, the excitement, the help, the tips. I hear them. And I just want to thank everybody that's been there for me and that's feeling just as excited as I am about everything that's going on. So, hope you guys have a great Thursday. Don't forget to get your gallon in. Get those gallons in. The water, it really helps. I have a pal that put up some pictures, and I'm like, what did you do? She said, well, I started drinking a gallon every day and eating my 6 small meals and watching my portions. So guess what? I'm about to get all the way turned up on that game. So have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.